Is it? So we could kick it off like this.
Watch you guys who are watching this already supposed to know say Tommy Lee was, and I repeat, was wanted by the police for questioning. You see me? So that was day before yesterday, and he was wanted for July the 7th, which I see. You see me? So him for turning himself, which him already did, guys. So I want to know say this when him turning himself. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, the Sparta boss spent last night in the Freeport police station. Lock up, you see me? So in the idea that the artist attorney, you see me, Ernest Smith says he was detained under the current state of public emergency, which are the SOE, as he pray. So Sparta reported to the station yesterday after being named as a person of interest. You see me, guys? So the man make sure carrying himself as you can see, you see me? So I just wanted to know, say, yo, him still in a custody, you see me? And for further ado, it look like, say, you know, investigation that take place, because he would have get bail already if you check your level. So gotta give him some time, otherwise you don't know Jamaican things set, you see me? But differently. So them want to do most of the artists, them and the people, them where make money from all day. But differently still, you have to know how you involve yourself with car. What day be a picture circulate with them money, with wanted man and thing. Syrupy that a politics church watch already disclosed them, you see me? So as you may say, we give him some time, is it?
Hey baby, I love you.
So people, as you can see, that a Usain Bolt and his wife / baby mother. You see me? So the dog is celebrating newborn, you see me? And he look good because the mother now, which Casey, you see me? She released some picture with, you know, the kid. And so far, I'm not telling a lie. You see me? You can see the resemblance and the name with them care, you see me? Alone. It's our next big deal because she named Olympia Bolt. What a unique name, is it? Yeah, man, people. So talking about baby guys, look who pop up on the beach with Koffee and her. If you look good, you can see. You see me, and that a Jahvillani baby. You see, and she already look like Koffee mama or something, because you know Koffee. Jahvillani baby mother. Them name, but a big love judge boy, the name. Yeah, brother, Fusey, you see me? So if you look closely, you can see the same baby with Jahvillani and so me showing, you see me? And you know the team, baby, they attack baby already, and just started the point of they trying to make. You see it, pray?
The world don't know some pie you a sell. I come and tell lie but me not like angel. They know you about to be when she go fuck cartel. Woman me love me no ring man bell. Chrome skin me sex me no wife of skettle. You no pay the doctor bill for your son sickle cell. And if I never ding dang the shot suffer like a hell. Tell the people them how much stage show me shell. How much song me write and how much copy sell. Computer brain and no Mac neither Dell. When the warrior tick off it now go camp well. Could me
People, the artist, this Beenieman, wicked a while ago. If you know, yo, that song there, but I don't know. But the song have a buzz, you see me? What you pray? The artist named Dan Mafia, foreign, them man they come from way back in the dancer. Him and Beenie did good still, you see me? Look like them have a one beef. I go on and you see me? Everybody knows a Beenieman mean. But the man exposed Angel at the same time. Everybody I get exposed. You see me, the man say, yo, Vybz Kartel, knock him baby mother, knock him baby mother, which are the angel, and him come and cry today. You see me? The dog is say, yo, he never bombard pay for him son, doctor, hospital fee for sickle cell. You see me? If I never for ding dang disha, you see me, would have suffer like hell. The man attack some bag of things. And facts is the facts, some people need to understand that, you see me? So, when the dog come out and say this, man, pretty different dog, because I don't know what Beenieman and him have, you know, but the dog come take it to words, you see it? But still, if it's a man like me, we keep up with the entertainment and certain things. You would have known, say, Dan Mafia and him have a beef from the time when him do an interview and talk some things, you see me? But differently still, me feel like, say, Beenieman
do certain things. You see me? But when I come for talk about that still, but the dog take it to a different thing, and that song, you can check it out. You see me?